In this video, you are going to see how to increase the page number size in PowerPoint. As you can see here, I have increased the page number. Here I have a blank PowerPoint presentation. Let me click on the first slide, go to Insert, go to Header and Footer and click on Slide Number. Click on Apply to All. Then the page number will be added. This is the page number 1, this is page number 2 and this is the page number 3. But you will see the page number is very small. If you want to increase its size, go to View and click on Slide Master. Then go to Up and click on the first slide. Then you will see 3 boxes and click on this hash sign. Click on right button and go to Font. Now you can change the font size from here. I want 25 point. You can change the font to bold and you can change the font to Times New Roman, and you can change the font color from here very easily. Now click on OK. Now click on Close Master View, and here you will see I have changed the page number very easily with bigger font. So hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.